In this video, we'll take you on a virtual tour of my Jamaican Dream Home's exteriors, showcasing the unique features and design elements that make it a true Caribbean paradise. From the traditional Jamaican roof design to the colorful facade, this house is a stunning example of tropical architecture. We'll also share tips and tricks on how to incorporate Jamaican design elements into your own home's exterior, so you can create a beautiful, vibrant, and inviting space that reflects your personality and style. So join us for this inspiring journey, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos on lifestyle, travel, and design. Whether you're a fan of the Caribbean style or simply looking for inspiration to spruce up your home's exterior, this video has something for you. We'll take you through every inch of the property, showcasing the unique features and design elements that make it truly one of a kind. From the charming veranda to the lush garden, we'll explore how every detail has been carefully crafted to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. You'll see how the use of bright colors, natural materials, and intricate patterns adds a touch of whimsy and personality to the home. But this video isn't just about admiring the beauty of my Jamaican Dream Home. We'll also share practical tips and insights on how to recreate some of these design elements in your own space, whether you're on a budget or have more resources to play with. So join us for this virtual tour of my Jamaican Dream Home's exteriors, and let's get inspired to create a beautiful and welcoming space that brings a little bit of the Caribbean into our lives. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more lifestyle and design content.